Hello friends, today we are going to learn about Maven and how can we use Maven in our project. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to write your own Maven project and you can understand any Maven project. Let me say about a few words about Maven. Maven actually it's a project management tool which really helps a developer. Before you going to practical, let me give a short introduction on Maven. Maven actually is a tool we call a project management tool, which helps developer on. Actually, Maven use a project object module, which really does all these jobs. We're going to see that. That is called the POM.xml. Let's get started. So if you are new to Eclipse, don't worry, just follow my steps. You can really understand. And soon we are going to teach on how to use Eclipse and all the shortcuts and so on. So please watch our channel. So now right click, new, go to project, here type Maven. You will get here Maven project. There, if you see, let me right click, new project, or you go to others, type Maven and select Maven project and give next. And just click on this and go next. And the group ID nothing but like a group or a company name. Just for this, we can give like demo, and activated is really a project. Okay, so what the project we are going to do some kind of Java project, a simple Java coding. So I'm giving it simple Java program or project. This is a version. Everybody know each project will have different versions. So this version, if you want, you can change it. So let me change. This is the first version. So I will give like 1.0.0. You can give whatever. This is a package. You can either Java, jar, or you can do some var or POM. So now we just focus with jar and finish. It will take some time to come in the left project explore. Once it comes, just click this. You can see this is the structure which Maven created for us. You see there is a resource and you have a test case as well. So you no need to create any test package. The Maven will help us to do all this. So now I'm directly going and typing some coding, and let's see how. So before doing that, so we have to understand what is POM. Before you're going to understand completely on Maven, there is a few concepts you must be remember. If you are using Maven project and all those stuffs, initially you need internet to download all your dependency. Let me explain this. In bit, maybe in a few minutes later, I'm going to explain why we need internet to run the Maven project. Okay, so if you want to understand really a Maven, you must understand few tags. Let me explain what is a few tags. These are very core tags, or you must be understanding, or you can call attributes. So this is the number one. This is a project. You must know what is this project, and you must be knowing what is group ID and artifact ID versioning. And we do have a dependency. There is called a dependency that will come. This is called dependencies. Inside dependency will have dependency. So this is a very important one, and it must understand. Then we must know about a tag called build. Inside build, we can have some plugins. Inside plugins, we have single plugin or small plugins. So these are the very important and core tags which we must understand before we starting any Maven project. So we are not going to cover all, but this we are going to cover, and we're going to explain how this and all helping us. So let's come to back to our example. In our example, I said we are going to create some small Java project. Okay. Now you see this is the error, so don't worry about, because I supposed to enter a few more things. I have not yet entered. Let it be there. We will come back to that. So here, right click and go to new, go to class. Just a simple program. I want to simple, so I give a simple. Okay. This class name called simple. So I have already, I have few code which I want to put it in an example. Let me go and grab the code. This is simple code, you no need to worry. So this is our main method. Let me create okay, this is our sample or a simple program. Let me right click and run this. So let me delete this, come back. Let's see now. Java application. Yeah. You see, this is a simple program which I wrote and just for our example. So now it's working. So if you want to write a test case for this, we need a JUnit. So JUnit is not a part of JDK, so we need to download it. So in Maven, we will call that as a dependency. So simple Java project having a dependency now what on JUnit. So we need to download that jar. So instead of downloading jar, let's see how Maven helping us to download, right? So what we have to do, you have to go and Google it about JUnit or JUnit Maven. When you search it, you will get the following search result and pick that one. So this is the Maven dependency, just copying here. and go and put it in the project. As I say, it is a dependency. Dependency must be inside the dependencies. Okay, dependencies. This is a plural and this is singular. Okay, so I save it. So now I can able to write JUnit test case. So let me go to this package and write one more class called test class, test simple. Okay. Now finish. Here we like to call public. Okay, method test. Okay, this is what this method I'm going to test, but this method supposed to be, it is inside the simple, right? Simple new. Don't worry if you don't know shortcut, we will going to be teach that in another lesson or another video. Okay, now what you say, triangle. So I want to call this. So test case, you must have annotation. Okay. Now we have to run this to check whether JUnit is properly running or not. Yeah, it's properly running. See, if you don't know about how to use JUnit and all, don't worry, we're going to teach that as well soon. Okay, now we did this, we done this. In POM, we understand what is dependencies and dependency, and yet we need to understand what is build and what is plugin and what is plugins. Okay. So suppose I want to build this project. So obviously, when you want to build this project and you take output like a var or jar, you need this build. So this build will help us to build our project. So what to build? So that's the next question. What supposed to you want package? You want what? I want this project to be in an executable jar. So if I want an executable jar, then what I have to do? I have to use that particular plugin. So you can still go on Google it, you will get it. So for right now, I just put it in my notepad for my reference. So just I copy here. So this is a plugin which helped me to create a jar. So how do I say? Let's say now plugins. Inside plugins, I will have plugin. Okay, this plugin, see, this is called Maven plugin. This is Maven jar plugin. So when you want to create some jar, you're supposed to go here and see the configuration, the achieve and manifest and main class. I need to, if I need executable jar, I need to give the main method, right? The main class, which having the main method like this public static void main string argument, that class I supposed to pass. If I not pass, when you run the jar, it won't execute. Okay. So that's the reason this we need to give here. So I have to give here the path of the jar, the path of the main class. So this is a path of the main class, fully qualified name. So this is a package. Let's simple Java project dot sample. Now we see. So we understand now dependencies plugin. Now when you right click and go for Maven, and you see Maven clean and Maven install. So right now we are going to give install. When you say install, actually it does all the item and it will do a package. That what the package our type of package is jar. Okay, what is the version of jar? The version of jar is 1.0.0. So what is the name of the project? The name of the project is simple Java project. So the jar name will be a simple Java project. Okay, how do I know? This is what I already said, the group ID, Factifex ID, and the version. Okay, so right click, Maven, run, install. Okay, we are getting an error. This is the reason because we don't have the property of, okay, properties we didn't have. What? Okay, compiler. Okay, now let's retry. So it says I'm running on the JRE. So if you get if you want to change your Java version, so right click, go to build path and configure build path here. I'd like to change into JRE. So JDK JRE. So this is my 1.8. Apply and close. Let's try now. It should work now. Yeah, now it's okay. So, as I told earlier, right? What I said, the Maven need internet while we are running or building the project. The reason, see, here it downloads the dependencies. Do you see this? All these are dependencies. It is downloading. Okay, it's downloading from the repository. So it is a remote repository, it downloads from there. So whatever we are given in the dependencies, right? All those jars will be downloaded. And these are the other dependencies which Maven does for us. So we no need to download, or we no need to worry about downloading and putting in a specific folder or what, nothing. The Maven will take care of everything, and even see it will run the test case as well. See, we have written one test case, it executes the test case, and it gives the result of the test case. So this is why I said the Maven really helps the developer and reduce a lot of work. Now it is success, build is success, and the success, the executable jar was put it inside the target folder. So this is where it installed. Install means nothing like it's copied the output of our project and put it in a particular location. There is a location. So this is our output. This is how it calls, this is how we have to run our executable jar. So you can take this jar and you can run anywhere, any system which installed Java.